Now, the market is opened up for pellets in China, and we need to compete with Brazilian pellets. And the Brazilian pellets, they are known for its quality commitments with respect to chemistry, with respect to the physical properties, and also the performance in the end users processes. So whereas we have a challenge in controlling the chemistry, controlling the physical properties also. So the technology is similar to or the same as the other our competitors or the other competing countries, but the process parameters are different. They are not tailor-made. Most of them are standard machines and standard equipment. Now the customization is taking time to meet the requirements at the end users like iron. There are various iron making processes. So that is a challenge. So now while selecting that, we select the standard machines, standard equipment, and customize whether to meet the chemistry to some extent and compromise on the physical properties to some extent and give them a product which performs very close to the Brazilian supplies. So the Chinese are looking at our pellets in a more serious way of using, and they are comfortable nowadays with the off-chemistry pellets also to a larger extent. This is what the challenge, and we have adopted those changes into our processes. The iron ore processing part, the enrichment of the low-grade ores, a lot of new equipments have come with automation and instrumentation, included in the new equipment. Old days, people used to measure every hour, 3 hours, 4 hours the samples and take corrective actions. Now there are online instruments available to control the process. Similarly, the equipment reliability has improved on online condition monitoring. So that is helping a lot to maintain the productivity levels, at the desired productivity levels. This is very positive changes which have come in the mineral processing industry. And similarly, the next technology is the slurry transportation. Recently, we held one international conference on slurry transportation in India, covering our expertise and suitability for Indian operations, the mineral transport to long distance slurry pipelines. That is what is going to take over in the logistics sector to make any volumes required to meet this Atmanirbhar steel production of 300 million tons by another 6-7 years time. So this technology has come up very well in India, and the people are available to operate. There are already 3 pipelines in operation with highest automation levels with zero troubles. Similar technology will be used by all the newcomers or new players which are planning to install the beneficiation and pelletization plants as a raw material for iron making processes. Most of the steel plants coming up now have a part of their raw materials as iron ore pellets. So this will help them a lot. And coming to the pelletization plants, the pollution control equipment like electrostatic precipitators, then the plant process fans using variable drives, and then a lot of automation on the burner management system is bringing down the emissions. A very clean technology is there in place for pellet making. If you name somebody, only the pellet making facilities as compared to sinter and other steel plants, they have achieved these new norms of 30 milligrams or 40 milligrams per normal metric cube. with ease. So the technology will definitely support our Indian operations with respect to the carbon footprint and emissions and the enviro-friendly technologies in all the three areas of iron ore processing, that is beneficiation, slurry transportation, and the pellet making. This is a great achievement for Indian operations in the last 10 years.